story from the project. Innocent black man. Let me be clear. Damn, man. The story from the project. Innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 49. I hope everyone enjoyed the training I did yesterday on the bid and the ask and the spread. Hope that helped you out. If you missed it, you can check it out in the video yesterday. Anyway, let's talk about today. Today, I did not want the week to end red because it was a tough week. We pulled it out, so I had to keep the guardrails on, traded in a Webull account, and just got that closer to the $900 level. And pretty much that's how we did today. I didn't want to go too crazy, so I'm going to tell you exactly how the day went in today's midday market recap. All right, y'all, so let's go over the trades from this morning. In the pre-market, everything seemed kind of red earlier in the pre-market, like around 8:30. But as we got closer to the bell, some of those gap downs begin to shrink a little bit. So anyway, I didn't really have no attention on nothing, so I just waited for the market to unfold. My first stock was Nvidia. I tried to catch a good entry, and I did not. I tried to catch it to the downside because I thought since everything was gapping down today, most of the market was looking for a downtrend. It was not, but of course, you know, keep the stops tight. So it went against us, stopped out. That was it. Had about a, I think it was a $21 loss. It's cool. Like I said, sometimes there's going to be losses in there and you just got to keep your composure. So after that, I said, okay, cool. Let's see what else. Let's leave that one alone because it wasn't a lot of energy on that downturn anyway. So let's leave that alone. I started looking, sniping, and I saw SPY. I said, cool. SPY has some energy. So I waited for it to hit support, and I got it on that candle right there, and I rolled it up. It kind of stalled a little bit, so I added and rolled it up all the way, and that one erased the loss from the first trade and put us into a green position. It wasn't much, but I'll take it. And then my next trade was on PLTR. I was able to catch a little chump change on that one as well, going up to the upside. You can see it right there as well. And then my last trade on the day was Google, because for some reason Google was trading in a range today. It just would not move off the moving averages, so I knew then it was kind of pinned there. Then all of a sudden it broke out. Once it broke out, I jumped in, but I had my tight stops really close just in case it went against us. It did not. It went up a little bit. We caught that cash, and that's how we ended the day in the Webull account. I think about a quarter, $25. We'll take it. Now that account is closer to the $900 level, which is the next level. We gotta get it there because we're looking at the $1,000 level. Once we cross the $900 level, I can't believe it. That account was, I think when we kind of started, was back like $300 something. So we really been kind of growing that account. So anyway, that's how the day went. If you have a small account and you want to join us, come on, man. We taking our accounts from $100 all the way to $100,000, $250K, $500K, all the way to $1 million. It won't be getting rich overnight. It'll be a crawl. We got to keep crawling every day, one trade at a time. That's what, like I said, we're going to take this $25 here and throw into our piggy bank. And like I said, see that piggy bank right there? That wasn't where it was. I mean, that was not where it was at now, where it started. It took several trades every day, consistently adding gains to that piggy bank, and that's how you do it. Every day not gonna be a win, but it is what it is. You got to deal with it if you're gonna play this game. Anyway, y'all, that's how the day went. We done with it. I'll be back at it for day number 50 next week for the Christmas week. Ho ho ho! And I see you guys tomorrow. Peace.